Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Social Studies for Class 6. How is South Asia connected to many countries of the world? Answer. South Asia is connected to many countries of the world by land routes, sea routes, and air routes. Is India a developing country? Yes, India is a developing country. Is Pakistan a developing country? Yes, Pakistan is a developing country. Is Bangladesh is a developing country? Yes, Bangladesh is a developing country. Where are Pakistan, India and Bangladesh located? Pakistan, India and Bangladesh are located in South Asia. Does South Asia have any pauses? Yes, South Asia has famous pauses Khyber and Bhutan. Who came to South Asia through these passes? Many kings and warriors came to this region through these passes. Where are famous mountain Karakoram and Himalayas found? Famous mountain ranges such as the Karakoram and the Himalayas are found in South Asia. Where do we find K2 and Mount Everest? Two of the highest peaks in the world, Mount Everest and K2, are situated in South Asia. How many big oceans are there in the world? There are five big oceans in the world: the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Antarctic Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Arctic Ocean. Which is the deepest ocean of the world? Pacific Ocean is the deepest ocean of the world. Where lies the Indian Ocean? The Indian Ocean lies in the south part of South Asia. Where is the Antarctic Ocean? The Antarctic Ocean lies in the south of all the continents. Which ocean are extremely cold? The Arctic Ocean and the Antarctic Ocean are extremely cold. What percentage of the world's population is in South Asia? 1/5 of the world's population is in South Asia. Is the urban population higher than the rural? Yes, the urban population is higher than the rural population. Where are high mountains in South Asia? South Asia has many high mountains in the north and northwest. What are the mountains covered with? Mountains are covered with thick forests that remain green throughout the year. What is softwood used for? Softwood is used for construction and furniture. What is the height of low mountains? These mountains are less than 1000 feet high. How are how are forests useful? They make the country green and beautiful. Wood from trees is used in many kinds of. It is also used in making furniture. Wood from trees is used in many kinds of construction. It is also used in making furniture and is used as fuel also. Many kinds of animal and birds live in the forests. Are nuts and fruits found in the forests? Yes, different kinds of nuts and fruits are found in forests? Do forests help in reducing pollution? Forests help in reducing air pollution. Where is rice grown in Pakistan? In Pakistan, rice is grown in Sindh and Punjab. What is the main diet of the people of South Asia? Wheat is the staple or main diet of the people of South Asia. Where is wheat grown in Pakistan? Wheat is grown in the valley of Sindh, Punjab, and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Where is maize grown in Pakistan? Maize grown in Sindh, Punjab, and KPK in Pakistan. Are pulses a good source of protein? Pulses are very good source of protein. What are fruits and dry fruits good for? Fruit and dry fruit are good for health and vitality. Where is cotton grown in Pakistan? Cotton is grown in Sindh and Punjab in Pakistan. Cotton is grown in Sindh and Punjab in Pakistan. What are the mountain tops covered with? The tops of mountains are covered with snow. Where do the rivers fall? Rivers fall into oceans. What is the shape of delta? Delta means a triangle. Note the part of the river near the ocean is called the mouth. The river near the mouth takes the shape of delta. This land of delta is very fertile. What is grown in the delta of South Asia? Mostly rice is grown in the delta of South Asia. How is the land of delta? The land of delta is very fertile. What happens when heat meets the snow? The heat from the sun melts the snow into water. What is a sea? Large bodies of salt water is called sea. What is a bay? When a large amount of water comes inside land, it is called a bay. Note one important bay of the world is the Bay of Bengal. For what South Asia is famous? South Asia is famous for its mountain ranges. South Asia is famous for its mountain ranges. What are Mari, Ayubia, Nathiagali, and Abbottabad? Mari, Ayubia, Nathiagali, and Abbottabad are hill stations. What are the plateaus called? Plateaus are called tablelands. What are the plateaus? Plateaus are straight places of land in a high position. How many plateaus in Pakistan? There are two plateaus in Pakistan: Pothohar Plateau, Balochistan Plateau. Where are Pothohar Plateau found? This plateau falls between the river Indus and the river Jhelum. Where is Balochistan Plateau situated? This is in the southwest region of Pakistan. How is the weather in the southwest of Pakistan? Weather is dry in southwest of Pakistan. What are deserts? The deserts are one of the component of the earth like mountains and oceans. Are deserts fertile? Deserts are not fertile. Is cultivation possible in the deserts? Cultivation is not possible in the deserts. Is cultivation possible in the deserts? Cultivation is not possible in the deserts. Where is the third desert? Third desert is in Sindh province. Where is Cholistan Desert? Cholistan Desert is in the Punjab province. Where is Rajasthan Desert? Rajasthan Desert is in India. How long Muslim kings rule over South Asia? Muslim kings ruled over South Asia for hundreds of years. What is Delhi? Delhi is the capital of India. What is Mumbai called? Mumbai is called the gateway to India. Where is the biggest film industry of India? Mumbai has one of the biggest film industry in the world called Bollywood. Mumbai has one of the biggest film industry in the world called Bollywood. Who had taken away power from the Muslims? The British had snatched power from the Muslims. What did the British want to do with the Muslims? They wanted to make the Muslim kingdom and Muslims as weak as possible to capture the throne. What did the Muslims realize? The Muslims realized their sorrowful condition and wanted to become independent. Who was the last Mughal emperor? The last Mughal emperor was Bahadur Shah Zafar. What was the weakest point of Muslims? The Muslims did not know English. This was their biggest weak point. What did the Muslim leaders demand? The Muslim leaders demand a separate homeland for the Muslims, which was the official language instead Persian. English was made the official language instead of Persian. When did Pakistan came into being? When did Pakistan came into being? Pakistan came into being on 14th August 1947. Pakistan came into being on 14th August 1947. What is the importance of Pakistan in South Asia? Pakistan is a very important country in this continent. How is Pakistan connected with other countries of South Asia? Pakistan is connected with other countries of the region by land routes, sea routes, and air routes.